Ever hosted an event bursting with potential, only to be met with empty seats and lost opportunities? What if there was a way to fill every seat, skyrocket ticket sales, and make your event the talk of the town? Today I'm going to show you how you can. Revolutionize your event promotions, unlock the full potential of your event, acquire a full house, boost your ticket sales and event awareness, without any hassles. Hi, my name is Sebastian, founder and owner of Perfekta Unlimited. I have helped many event promoters and organizers to acquire a cost-effective solution, save time and resources, captivate their audience, strengthen their brand identity, and increase event attendance. The problem is that you struggle with low attendance numbers, which can impact the success and profitability of your events. You struggle to stand out from your competition, which makes it difficult for you to get sales. You feel frustrated because you go to a marketing agency or designer who promises you the world and doesn't deliver the results, and you don't know how to get a wider audience. Ultimately, it relies on having a proven marketing solution that has a good track record. We have the solution and process that will transform your event and takes it to the next level. What did our successful clients want? They wanted higher ticket sales. They wanted to have larger crowds at their events. They wanted positive publicity. They wanted customer loyalty. They wanted to reach their target audience and generate interest in their events. They wanted to establish a recognizable and reputable brand identity that resonates with their target audience. They wanted successful marketing. They wanted a strong presence. Let's transform your event promotions. Unleash the power of your event, fill every seat, and skyrocket ticket sales effortlessly and stress-free. Please note our solution works for anyone, anywhere in the world. And it looks like this. That's the difference. I want you to eliminate wasting time and money. This is how everyone does it in the old way. You find an unreliable designer. The designer misses an email from you. You use email for communication and start different email threads for revisions, and communication becomes very confusing. You need to find a motion designer somewhere else because your designer does not know how to animate a flyer. Designs are bad, and the result is that no money is made and the event is not filled. Now I want you to sit and imagine. Imagine if you could get your events to grow. Imagine if you could acquire brand authority. Imagine if you could get a reliable designer who takes your marketing to the next level. Imagine if you could save time and make more money than ever before. Imagine if you could have more popularity at your events. Imagine if you could gain better social media coverage and better engagement. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because our solution will get you the results. This is the answer. Acquire our reliable design team. Have access to our easy-to-use platform for communication, requesting, tracking, and downloading flyers. Promote your event with more graphic assets, including motion flyers. The result? Increase attendance to your event and increase in your ticket sales. At this stage, you have two choices. 1. Take what I've explained today and go try it yourself. 2. Just give me an extra 2 minutes and I'll explain how we can just do it all for you, so you can skip the failure, headache, and disappointment. I present to you Perfekta Unlimited. With our subscription, you won't have to worry about hiring and managing designers in-house. We take care of everything so you can focus on your event. Our platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it effortless to request, track, and download your club flyers. No more wasting time on complicated processes. Need your flyer urgently? No problem. We understand the importance of timely promotions, and that's why we offer next business day delivery on all flyer requests. Our team of experienced designers create visually stunning and captivating club flyers that will set your event apart from the rest. We've streamlined the flyer design process to make it quick and efficient. Just submit your request and we'll handle the rest. No need to limit your promotions. With our subscription, you can make unlimited flyer design requests for all your events. With more assets at your disposal, such as ticket sizes, posters, drink specials, artists' avatars, and much more, you will be able to promote each of your events with better results. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer unlimited revisions to ensure your flyer looks exactly the way you want it. Want to add an extra level of engagement to your promotions? We have experts in motion flyers to make your events truly unforgettable. With us, you will have a direct communication with your designer and ownership of editable files, so you can make revisions to the designs if you wish. Also, we've got you covered with options for rush delivery to meet tight deadlines such as same-day turnaround. If you ever wish to cancel, you can do so anytime without any penalties or fees. There are no hidden costs. The reality is, if you're interested, then I'd like to invite you to book a free appointment today. This call isn't a pitch. It's about helping you. A member of my team will help you to see how this process would work for you specifically, while creating an action plan to make it happen. Then, if you qualify, you'll be invited to become our next success story. There is no pressure. Click the button below and book a free appointment. We'll talk to you soon.